Hello everyone. So today a quick English challenge. Let's see how good your English really is. Today what exactly we are going to do, I will say a Hindi sentence and you have to guess the correct English. You will get two options, only one is correct. Sounds easy, right? Let's see. Some questions are easy, some are little tricky, so no cheating. Think first, then choose your answer and at the end tell me your score. Okay? Got it? So let's start. So पहला सेंटेंस है मैं कल से कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. यू हैव टू ऑप्शंस इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. टेल मी क्या इसका करेक्ट इंग्लिश रहेगा. यू हैव 3 seconds. सो मैं कल से कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. I have been trying since yesterday. Next. मुझे देर हो गई है. So the correct answer is I am late. मुझे देर हो गई है. I am late. The third is उसने मुझे गलत समझा. So what will be the English? He misunderstood me. उसने मुझे गलत समझा. He misunderstood me. मुझे ये काम करना पड़ेगा. So the correct answer is मुझे ये काम करना पड़ेगा. I will have to do this work. वो रोज सुबह जल्दी उठता है. He wakes up early every morning. वो रोज सुबह जल्दी उठता है. He wakes up early every morning. मैंने उसे पहले कभी नहीं देखा. So what will be the correct answer? I have never seen him before. Next. क्या तुम मेरी बात मान सकते हो? So the right answer is, can you agree with what I am saying? क्या तुम मेरी बात मान सकते हो? Can you agree with what I am saying? वो बहुत थका हुआ लग रहा है. So he looks very tired. वो बहुत थका हुआ लग रहा है. He looks very tired. तुमसे मिलके बहुत अच्छा लगा. So the correct answer is तुमसे मिलके बहुत अच्छा लगा. It was really nice meeting you. मुझे इस बात का डर था. What will be the correct sentence? मुझे इस बात का डर था. I was afraid of this. वो अपनी बात पर अड़ा रहता है. वो अपनी बात पर अड़ा रहता है. He sticks to his word. उसने कुछ नहीं कहा, बस चुप रहा. What will be the correct answer? उसने कुछ नहीं कहा, बस चुप रहा. He said nothing, just stayed silent. मैं उसकी जगह होता तो कुछ और करता. What will be the correct sentence in English? मैं उसकी जगह होता तो कुछ और करता. If I were in his place, I would have done something different. वो जो भी करता है सोच कर करता है. So what will be the correct answer? Whatever he does it thoughtfully. उसने अपनी तकलीफ छुपाकर मुस्कुराना सीख लिया था. So what will be the correct sentence in English? She had learned to smile while hiding her pain. मुझे लगता है कि वो सच बोल रहा था. I think he was telling the truth. उसने अपनी गलती मानने से इनकार कर दिया. He refused to admit his mistake. तुम्हारी बात सुनकर दिल भर आया मेरा. Hearing you made my heart fill with emotion. वो जितना दिखता है उतना सीधा नहीं है. He is not as simple as he appears. चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए मैं तेरा साथ नहीं छोड़ूंगा. So, no matter what happens, I will not leave your side. Okay? So, challenge completed. Now be honest. How many answers did you get right out of 20? Comment your score below. Or did some questions confuse you? And tell me honestly, should I make part 2? Yes, or absolutely yes? Also, don't feel bad if you got some wrong because every mistake means one thing, you're improving. And trust me, the more you practice, the more natural English starts feeling. See you in the next episode of Better English Buddy. Until then, keep practice, keep speaking.